This initiative is between the Oak Ridge National Laboratory and the Composites Center at the University of Maine. It's called hub and spoke model between Oak Ridge and UMaine. The idea is we're going to work together seamlessly, where the Oak Ridge staff can come to UMaine, UMaine staff students can go to Oak Ridge, and together we're developing next generation bio-based 3D printed materials. So we're developing the science to turn wood and nanocellulose into reinforcements for plastics that can be then used for 3D printing applications. And our goal is to 3D print very large components, 3D print potentially at 500 pounds an hour. So you can make very large things that you could 3D print. We're looking at boat molds, for example, as one of the end-use applications. We're looking potentially at print eventually furniture or sheds or buildings. So the sky's the limit when you start 3D printing at a very large scale. But we have a lot of science to do to get there. And the science includes producing the nanocellulose, functionalizing the nanocellulose so we can put it into different plastics, how to actually introduce it into the plastics, how to distribute it into the plastics, what kind of plastics we use. We're looking at bio-based plastics such as PLA and others as well. So we can make 100% recyclable and bio-based materials. Very exciting opportunity to advance the country in this particular area.